Guys, hey, going to talk about recipes a little bit and potentially having problems with linking recipes. Now, I'm just going to do a takeoff in this roof. Takeoff selection. And just say, for instance, I want to associate screws with the roof. So if I go to my roofing and then go edit, see more, you'll notice that I've actually already created these little categories. So, everything that's inside of there, I can, have zip screws or larger screws or different types of screws or washers associated with screws according to what it is. Now, if I go link items here, you'll notice that it remembered from last time I've done this to link it to the square meters of roof. However, you might have chosen to link it to different quantities or wherever. Regardless what it is you're linking, when you go save changes, it comes up with this box which enables me to link this to a different type of roof. So another, say, corrugated iron. So if I say yes, you would want to go through and you want to click all of your corrugated iron, right? So I think you get the idea. However, if you just go submit and you have not put in a category up here, nothing will happen. Now, we're going to put something in to ensure that you can't make that mistake again, but it has come up a few times. I've fallen into the trap myself. So it's really important that you do put in the name of the category there and then go submit, because what will happen if you don't do that, your category won't link. Okay, so basically, once again, link items associated to where you want to link it, and when you go save changes, if it's just a one-time thing, so if I said, would you like to associate this recipe with similar items, I just say no, and then it will save. So I hope it helps you out, guys. Quick one for a Friday afternoon before beer o'clock. Cheers.